Changing the engine air filter on the 2008 Honda Civic. This filter at a Honda dealership is $30.04, or was at my dealership in southern Indiana. There's plenty of other options out there to go. I'm sure you don't have to spend 30 bucks to buy a decent engine air filter. It's your car and your money. You buy what you want. This is just going to be a quick video on how to change it. This is one of the easiest engine air filters that I've ever had the pleasure of changing out on any of my vehicles that I've owned. Some of them you about have to stand on your head, but watch this. You'll lift up just a little bit. It'll slide out of the boot. Right back here. Very gently just flip it over. It's only got one wiring harness for the sensor. Pick up the old one. This was not bad. It's got about 20,000 miles on it. These are well made. They've got nice rubber seals on each side of that plastic base. Just make sure it fits in. It should fit like a glove. If you was ever sucking any dirt or dust, this here would be really dirty in here, and this is spotless on the inside of the boot. Flip your top cover over, just like you laid it back. Squeeze it back into the boot, back in here. And it's going to find its way down. You're going to see it close the gap right in here. It's going to go down plastic to plastic. There'll be no gap. A good firm upward clip. You've just saved yourself 50 bucks if you took it to a dealership. Hey, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If I don't know the answer, I'll try to find out and post it down in the comments. If you're thinking about it, someone else may be too. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.